Hello everyone. I'm excited to talk to you about the new Python integration in Excel. If you are a data analyst or a spreadsheet user, then this is a major announcement that you're going to want to know about. Python integration in Excel will allow users to use Python code directly in their Excel spreadsheets. This means that you can use all of the power of Python, including its data analysis pandas and visualization libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, as well as other libraries like scikit-learn, etc. Before today, you would use OpenPyXL and XLWings library of Python to interact with Excel from Python, with both libraries having their own pros and cons. I have videos on both of these libraries, which I will link in the screen. For the article on Microsoft website, this feature will be rolled out via Anaconda package and run on Azure server. You need to be rolled in 365 Insider program and on beta channel. As of today, very few people have access to it. You can still try it using search bar, typing insert Python, then try Python samples and go from there. It will generate a sample Python code, although it won't work in Excel as of yet, but you can still get a taste of what's there to come in future. Things to consider or caveats. So first thing would be that this will not run on local runtime, which means that when the internet is down, your Excel or Python code will probably stop working, or if you're, let's say, working remotely but the internet is a bit slow, then this would be a problem. The second would be that Microsoft will probably charge more for this extra feature, which not everyone would be willing to pay, as Python is free along with all of its libraries. The third would be the potential security risks involved with this, as Python has a lot of libraries and the hackers could try to misuse it, considering ongoing issues with VBM macros, which Microsoft has not been able to fix as of today. All things aside, it's a major breakthrough that will make it easier for data analysts and spreadsheet users to work with Python. If you're interested in learning more about Python integration in Excel, I encourage you to check out the Microsoft documentation page. I will add a link in the description. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you like the content. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next time.